Hi there, welcome back. I hope you are doing well. In this section, I just about described role-based authentication system. Already you know that here is our live project. Looks like that. Our project is looks like actually this is the live URL, live domain, right? This is the dashboard. Sorry, this is the index page, right? And here look at that, here is two different dashboard. Here is this user credential, right? User can manage each and everything, okay? But uh, here this is a two part. Here is once again user, and this is another credential. Look at that, this is a two different URL and two different admin dashboard. Actually there is the authentication, actually role based authentication, actually admin dashboard and user dashboard. So our main goal in this part to make a middleware, and this middleware also sanitize two divided part into equal and admin. I hope you are clear and more clear for our when just be already implement in this criteria. So let's go to the BS code and should take action. Now this is here. Just go to our table. Look like users table, right? Here is our users table. Okay. So here this table we just need to be modified first. Okay. Look like here is a name, email, perfect. But we need for this another for a role, like here will be the role, and role should be two part. Here is this user and the admin, and we just keep for default admin, right? Default should be the admin. Okay. We also give looks like okay, and also we just put another two things for string avatar, and also this long test will be address. It will be needed. So, but previously we already migrate for that. Once again, look at that. Just check it. Suppose if you just run for PHP artisan migrate, it's look at that, nothing migrate will be nothing to migrate. So once again I just erase for our users table. Actually all of this table will be erased, and so once again, okay. Now put the command PHP artisan migrate fresh, and this is the fresh default. Okay. Now once again run the command PHP artisan migrate. Okay, once again already migrate will be taken. So so new field actually for role user, role avatar, role address will be addressing. Now we just for confirm for the register to the browser, just go to the browser. Now you just keep reload the browser and just register first. Suppose name will be admin. You can put any URL whatever you want and give the password. Once again, so just confirm for the register and look at that. Okay. Okay, this is the common dashboard. Okay, so now our local PHP my admin, and here we just go to the food order, and oh no, it's not. Here actually this is our food order tutorial, and here look at this, the user. Okay, here look at this, here is a two, suppose admin at example.com, and this role will be admin. Fine, but got a little mistake here. Look at that, this is a default admin. Definitely not, default is not a admin, and default will be the user. Sorry to mistake. And so definitely you just put the command once again, php artisan migrate, fresh will be fresh migration once again. And now to go to the browser. Now here look at the browser will be fresh. Okay, so now it's literally, so just once again, okay, and just we just start for the scratch and convert to the full production level. Okay, so please stay with us, and here look at the admin and just reload the page. You see that role will be a user, that's fine, but here we just user and just update for this, and look at this, it will be admin. Okay, fine, that's fine, and now we'll be log out. Okay, okay, done. And now go to our VS code. Okay, first create for the middleware. So give the command, follow the command, php artisan make middleware, role middleware. Okay, this is the role middleware. Fine, go to the role middleware. Here is this the middleware will be a role. Very simple, nothing else. Just po- take the following logic. Suppose here will be roles, and give the condition if auth, the definitely facet static function will be check and user, default function user roles. Okay, so now just return next, will be into the wrap in here, just okay. And otherwise about 403. Okay, perfect. And now go to in here bootstrap, this is the f, and this bootstrap you need to alias. Okay, in here we just put the middleware logic, like middleware, it's the alias, and here is the rules, role middleware. That's fine, this is role middleware, and that's the class. Perfect. And now we need to bind our route like web.php in here, just in here. User table will be closed. And look at that. Here we just put for all admin route, right? Then- Okay, so now this is the route and goes to middleware. Definitely it's the auth protected auth guard. Will be the verified, fine, and other will be roles. Okay, roles, and it will be the admin. Perfect. And we just for this prefix, and prefix will be the admin, and name will be the admin. All of things you will be understand. Just was, and after completing this, I just you automatically understand what actually done in here. But don't worry, don't be panic. If you are a beginner, just keep. I just suggest you just keep was and easily grab this. Just wait and like dashboard. Okay. So admin controller. Oh, we just not created any controller. That's the things. Better I just remove. Wait, php. Give the command. Okay. Fine. The admin controller is created. Now put in here and now the admin controller. So class and this name will be the dashboard and name will be the dashboard. Okay. Okay, and it's just fine. Now the thing is here in here, go to the admin dashboard and we just it's fine. It's a backend just index. There's a create folder for this backend for in here actually resource, and this is a views, and we just two folder like backend and make another folder like front end. Okay, so foldering is very important to arrange your project accordingly, so not another things. Here's this backend, we just two file, right? Index.play.php, fine, and another is that for master.play.php. Okay, fine. Here is our index, no problem. But here, but other things for that, we need to go to the our user model actually, user.php. So here we just need some helper function needed, looks like. Okay, this is our user model actually. Now here is this our global function is admin. This is the helper method is a role checking actually. Just give the following command look like in here. Here is our admin, and also for one another one things will be the user. Fine. Is it too different? Okay. And this helper function will be work like here is our web.php. Now go to our auth.php. Here we see that this is a get method of login and post method of login. Definitely user, when user will be posted. So what happened here will be stored. So better we just go to our, don't open actually, I don't know what's happened. So authenticate session controller, and here will be the store. This is the store, and look at that. When user complete the login process, then go to intent dashboard. Okay, but we don't want to, no, we don't want that. We just when user role wise route will be permit. I show you. Okay, in here first come for the which user will be request, it will be confirmed there, and here actually which user will be requested. Okay, then listen to here. Suppose here, look at that. If user will be admin, user will be admin, user go to the admin dashboard, or else return user dashboard. Okay, so actually who is the admin dashboard? Admin dashboard means that, look at that, this is the prefix will be the admin. Okay, all of this route before prefix mean, look at that, look at the prefix admin slash dashboard. So suppose test admin slash, all of this route will be wrapping by prefix. Okay, so that's why it's not a dashboard, it will be the admin dashboard. I hope you will be clear. And here will be the admin dashboard. Okay, now check before this there is a index.blade.php, and we just give the protect. Okay, so now, and here go to the login, and here we just put admin at rate example.com and give our password. Yes, this admin dashboard, this is our admin dashboard. Okay, now this is the blank dashboard is converted for this template, looks like the similar, and all of things will be dynamic. So our next video, we just manage for integrate our literally this dashboard template, how to implement the professionally, just in here to in here. So I just show you in this next video. Actually this project is huge, so you can get each and everything for this, and lot of feature. We just cover almost everything. So entry to production level, you can conduct any kinds of restaurant business and whatsoever. Look at the project feature also. Here is this, so all of this entire system, reservation system, advanced management, each and everything, for I just show for, I already shows for our demo. And also is a very helpful for this truck chat conversation. This is very helpful. You can easily easily manage to contact for live chat, and grab the actual audience, actually which kinds of audience will be given the notification is and everything. Okay, so okay, let's see for this next video.